everybody. Today, Alexia and I are making some homemade mac and cheese. This recipe is based off of my sister's, so thank you, Casey. First, we are going to get some water boiling for pasta. I'm going to use farfalle. My son likes the bow tie shape. And then I use a combination of mild Colby Jack and Monterey Jack cheese. I use all 3 bricks if I'm doing a full pound, or if I'm doing a half pound, I use a half of each block. So I am going ahead and get that water going and get the cheese grated. Alright, so now I have the pasta boiled and rinsed, the cheese shredded. Now we're going to make a roux and then a bechamel sauce. So in here I have about 4 tablespoons of butter. We're going to melt that, add the flour, and then about a cup and a half of milk. Then we'll melt the cheese into the sauce. So I did end up using 2 cups of milk instead of a cup and a half for the sauce. But here is the sauce. And now we are just going to go ahead and pour it over the pasta. Then we're going to put it in the oven, bake it for about 15 minutes at around 450 till the top starts bubbling. Then we'll top it with more cheese and some crushed up Ritz crackers. And it is all done. Now I'm going to go ahead and serve that with some pulled pork and coleslaw. Have a good night.